we are back with a special segment of fun facts with your favorite celebs, and today we have with us Namit Paul. Namit will share some rip-tickling funny facts about his life.
A habit of mine that I want to get rid of is being perpetually late. चाहे मेरा कुछ भी कॉल टाइम हो, 9 बजे हो, 10 बजे हो, 1 बजे हो, 2 बजे हो, आई एम ऑलवेज लाइक रनिंग राइट एट द एज. एंड वो उसमें क्या होता है कि आई डोंट लाइक बीइंग लेट बट आई एम ऑलवेज लेट, सो आई एम ऑलवेज स्ट्रेस्ड आउट. सो दैट इज समथिंग आई लाइक टू चेंज फॉर माई सेल्फ. ब्रेन्स, पर्सनैलिटी. ब्रेन्स अगर पर्सनैलिटी में आता है तो पर्सनैलिटी. I hope it was talent, but money didn't get me here. Fame definitely didn't get me here. I guess glamour would be it. I ज़्यादा glamorous भी नहीं हूँ मैं तो देखिए. And this is how I dress most of the time. Tracks and shoes and this. So I don't know. Luck. Let's go with luck. The weirdest compliment. I've already said this on one interview that somebody commented on one of my pictures and. Said that they want to get hit by my car and then die on my arms. It was very strange. Kind of freaked me out actually. एक अभी कोई recently आया था which I've forgotten right now. Stupidest rumor that I've heard about myself. That my hair is fake. I was asked this on Twitter. I don't know what. It was a very strange question. I don't know about Twitter. Periscope. Somebody was like, my parents think that your hair is fake or your beard is fake. Oh, your beard is fake. Yeah, your beard. It's real. It's actual hair. Yeah, that was weird. One silly habit of mine that I'm proud of. I'm not proud of it, but I don't mind it anymore. Like I've come to accept it as a fact. I think a lot of people do this. When I lock something, I always go back and check. So if I lock my car, and it's central locking, but I have to go to every door and I check if it's locked and then I check the window कि कोई space नहीं है ऊपर, like थोड़ी सी भी खुली नहीं रही हो. And I do this with every door. So I go both the doors and check the window ऊपर तक है. Then I go to the other side, check it, and sometimes when I'm not sure, then I come back also after walking away from the car. So in the beginning, my friends used to be like, "Dude, you're crazy. Like there's something wrong with you." But now I just do it. Like I do it every time, and it's just who I am. I can't help it.
To watch more fun videos, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Reporter Niyati, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Namit Paul. Keep watching India Forums and do subscribe to their YouTube channel.